Hello guys, my name is Amara Azmi. You all have the feeling that the wallet can be bulky while carrying and only fits either men or women. So this great looking wallet from Imex International is not just super stylish and practical but also is unisexual that can fit both men and women. This long wallet is made up of leather and has a multiple compartment for credit card slots and ID card slots. A must-have in your accessory collection, this wallet from Imex is a must-buy. Ornament your personality with this stylish yet decent-looking wallet for men and women. Panel and stitch detailing is done very nicely. A leather material makes this wallet light in weight, while the impeccable design makes it a true stunner. There are 13 inbuilt compartment slots, one dedicated currency compartment, 2 extra compartments where you can keep your important documents as well as some extra currency, and there is even one dedicated expandable slot for mobile. This long wallet will never become bulky even after you keep all your ATM cards, credit cards, mobile and cash. Its size is perfect to carry and fits everywhere in a coats, pocket or sling bag and handbags. I found this wallet so stylish and spacious. It's easy to carry and you all must also find the same. Try it yourself.